In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist with Google Calendar, a comprehensive guide on seamlessly integrating these two powerful tools. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head to app.todoist.com/login. This is where we'll kick things off. Once you're on the Todoist login page, you'll need to sign in. Enter your email address in the designated field. This is the email associated with your Todoist account. If you've logged in before, your browser might help autofill this information. After entering your email, you'll need to provide your password in the password field. Be sure it's correct, as incorrect attempts could lock you out temporarily. Now, for those who prefer a quicker method, Todoist offers alternative login options. You might notice buttons allowing you to continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. Selecting any of these lets you bypass entering your email and password manually, streamlining your login experience. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the Todoist interface, where your avatar or profile picture is located. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This action will open up a new window showcasing various tabs that hold different settings options. Among them, find and click on the Calendars tab. This is the hub where we will initiate the link between Todoist and Google Calendar. Next, look for the button labelled Connect Google Calendar and give it a click. When connecting for the first time, you will be prompted to give Todoist certain permissions. This is crucial as it allows Todoist to interact with your Google Calendar effectively. Make sure to carefully check each of the required permission boxes to ensure a smooth connection process. Without granting these permissions, the integration won't function correctly. With permissions granted, it's time to decide which calendars you wish to see synced in Todoist. The beauty of this integration is in its customizability. You can choose specific calendars that are most relevant to your tasks and events. To sync your tasks effortlessly to Google Calendar, toggle on the Sync Task to Calendar option. Additionally, if you handle tasks that are scheduled as all-day events, make sure to turn on the Sync All-Day Tasks option. This ensures that even tasks without a specified time are displayed accurately in your calendar. And that wraps up our session on integrating Todoist with Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can now manage your tasks efficiently across both platforms, ensuring that your productivity tools work in harmony. Whether for work or personal use, having a synchronized system helps keep you organized and on track. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.